everyone, it's me, Rona. I am, of course, on another adventure. Every time you see me riding, it means that I have just left from somewhere or I am en route to somewhere. And I happen to just be in this neighborhood and thought I should go ahead and address the 7 elements of design. And I couldn't think of a better place to do it than by stopping by Ikea, because they have all of the elements that you would need in order to fully address the decorative elements that you want for your home design projects. So if you want to know more about the 7 elements of design, of course, be sure to click on the links below this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the other side. The first element design on my list, of course, are floors. And there are a number of ways and different combinations that you could provide warmth, layering, texture, as well as color choices that bring the look and feel together that you're trying to accomplish for your space. IKEA has a ton of different affordable options. The next thing on my list are the walls, and I cover that in the color design series, so be sure to check that out on the channel. Next, we go into art and decor, because that is really important, and you can make a high impact with very affordable pieces based on what it is that you're trying to accomplish. And in the home decoration section of IKEA, there are so many different options and different combinations, textures, and materials that you can bring into your space. Again, very affordable options, especially if you want to mix and match some of your more high-end items with more affordable options. And that brings me to the 5th element on the list, which is lighting. And there are a number of ways that you can bring lighting into your space. Most of us think of lighting in our space for different purposes. For example, you could use lighting for task lighting if you're working on something, or ambient lighting if you're trying to set a mood. And IKEA has so many different options. Now, previously I used this photo to depict color, but you can also look at how light is used in that space as well. Moving on to some of the soft furnishing options, which happens to be element 6 on the list. And soft furnishings cover a wide variety of different furniture, soft furnishings, window treatments, pillows, sofas, chairs, that kind of thing. So that falls into a very large category. And again, IKEA does not disappoint. They have a number of different colorways that you can use in order to blend in monochromatic colors or adjacent colors to a hue or a texture or tone that you are pulling into your space. Sometimes it's a good idea to mix things up. And with that being said, when I talk about soft furnishings, I'm also talking about different materials that you can bring into your space. Especially if you are working on a budget and you want to have some high impact areas, it's okay to mix and match. In other words, have some rooms designed with some of your high end pieces, and then go to a place like IKEA and bring in some of your soft furnishings for, maybe a guest room or a kids room, because as you know, they grow and things get damaged over a period of time. And that rounds out the list with item number 7, which is all about adding a little greenery to your space as a filler and to make your home have that lived in and more sustainable look and feel. The last thing that I want to mention is that IKEA also has an area where they have a lot of items that are as is and up to 50% off. I hope you enjoyed this field trip, and I look forward to seeing you on the next design tour. Take care.